Welcome. In front of me I have the Spigen case for the iPhone 16 Pro. Even though it doesn't really state that it's 16 Pro, it just gives you the iPhone 6.3 2024 with Tough Armor AI. Not really sure how a material can be AI, but hell, the more you know. I guess Spigen didn't realize that statistically putting AI on every bullshit that you possibly can actually reduces your sales, but maybe they'll figure it out one day. So anyway, I'm just gonna do a test fit of it just so you can see how that looks like on the device and see maybe if you want to pick one up. I'll also do a test fit for the 16 non-Pro, which has a different camera setup, and just so you can see that it by name would state that it should fit, but that's kind of BS. Anyway, so just pop it open. And in here we get the case itself and nothing more. The case is actually pretty cool. It has a kickstand right here. Though it is very flimsy, it's still kind of nice to have it. Additionally, it's not magnetically attaching, so it is more like a clip-on right here with these retention kind of areas right here. So you just clip it in. Obviously this will wear out after some time if you tend to use this quite often. So something to keep in mind. Now, additionally, I also want to add that I do have a lens protector on here, so this adds a little bit of extra size. So you can see it does kind of have this lip right here where the glass is, and certain cases will not function with this, as some of the iPhone screen protectors, or not screen protectors, cases, just kind of wrap around the lenses and have just hole punches for the lenses themselves. If you tend to use this kind of lens protector, such a case would not work for you, but this one works just fine. And plopping it on, there we go. You can see it fits over the device pretty snugly. Additionally, covers even the little lens protector, as it does have a bit of a lip around, and almost lays flush with it. The actual protector is a little bit recessed. Next, we do have the button uncovered right here, the new one. We also have the power button. It is actually flush with the side right here, so that's actually pretty nice design, but it is still easy to press, no problem there. Then we have our volume up and down. Again, they are matching kind of the sides right here. And then we have our button right here for the mute, silent, and stuff like that. And see how that works. Okay, not like that. Guess you can also do it this way. So there we go. Now taking that off and showcasing the 16. Come on. There we go. So this will fit. I do want to point that out. You can see. It does feel like it's not going all the way around here, or it could be wrong. Yeah, I am wrong. So it does fit over it, cover it fully. Also, all the buttons are in the right places. So not much problem should be here. The only thing is, it's just this empty space right here. You can see that this looks weird. Additionally, it might look like the little bump right here would interfere with the side. It's actually not, because the actual lenses right here do the same thing. So the only difference is on the iPhone 16, you're missing the lens that would be right here, and flash and LiDAR is on the top and bottom. So the position is, I think, based on that, on the same exact space, just the lenses take much less space. Hence, you have this empty space right here. But it still fits. If you really want to use it, you can. It will still function, and everything is still in the same place, so you shouldn't have any kind of problems with it. Though I do want to point out one thing. It does feel like it's coming off of the device much easier than it does on the Pro version of it. So this one just clips in there much more securely. At least I would say that it does. It feels like it's harder to take it off compared to the compared to the 16. This one just kind of plops in there. It still stays in there, it's not gonna fall out, so you don't need to worry about that. But like I said, of the edges it comes off much easier than the Pro version. So anyway, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.